Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about CDcare shopping app. And in today's video, I'll show you how to order on Installment on CDcare shopping app. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your CDcare app. After you open up your CDcare app, next thing you need to do is to search for products from different categories right here. So there are so many ways by which you can use to search for products. You can search by most popular. So you see some of the trending products a lot of people have been buying on CDcare right here. Or better still, click on search right here and type the name of the product you are going to see what it's got. However, if you cannot find the right product you need right here in the CDcare app, you can order for specific items. And then what you need to do is to just chat with their customer support and make add it to their product list right here. Now I have a product I want to use as an example right here. So I can open my wish list so you can see I have a lot of products right here. So I'm going to pay for one right here. So I'm using it as an example. I'm going to pay for this right here. Not right here. So I'm going to open up. So when you open up the product link, next thing you come to under select payment frequency to pay small. There is option for weekly payment, monthly payment, and CDcare 3. So in my home account, I'm going for CDcare 3. I will click on CDcare 3. When you click on CDcare 3, what you need to do next is to click on no right here. There's no insurance. And scroll down right here, you'll be told how much you are going to pay. So I'm paying 22,000 plus for this product right here. Okay. Next thing we want to do here is to scroll down, and then we make sure we click on here to accept terms of using CDcare. Click on accept. Next thing you want to do is to click on here to proceed to start your installment. Here we go. So you have so many options for payment right here. So in this tutorial, I'm paying with my money box right here. I will go ahead and click on money box. Now make sure I click on proceed. Process. Click on close. Then you can see payment successful. Click on pay. And once you pay successful, then you can go ahead and check the product on your profile. So for that, go ahead and click on your profile right here. Then next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on order history. Then you have the product paid for right here. You can see waiting for vendor to supply of the particular product. You can click on it and fill the detail about your payment. So it's that simple. If you have not downloaded your CDcare app to start shop any type of product of your choice on installment or one-time payment, consider to check the description of this video. Follow the link in the description of this video to download the app for you to get products at discounted price using my link in the description of this video. For more tutorial about CDcare app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.